In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account in Linktree. If you're new to Linktree, it's a simple tool that lets you share multiple links from a single page, which is great for social profiles and bios. We'll walk through creating your account in a clear, no-stress way, and I'll share tips to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Linktree website. To stay secure, type the address directly or use a trusted search result, and make sure you see the padlock icon in your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, look to the top right and click Sign Up Free. This takes you straight to the account creation screen. Here you can type in your email address and click Continue. Choose an email you can access right now since you'll need to verify it. If you manage multiple inboxes, pick the one you want to use for account notifications and updates. Before you move on, double check for typos. Small errors here can block the verification email from arriving. After you click Continue, Linktree will send a one-time code to your email. Open your inbox, find the message from Linktree, and copy the code. If you don't see it within a minute or two, refresh your inbox and check your spam or promotions folders. Some email apps also group new messages into tabs, so be sure to look around. These codes usually expire after a short time, so use it promptly. Return to the Linktree page, type in the code exactly as shown, and click Continue. If the code fails, request a new one and try again. It's often faster than retyping. If you prefer, you can also sign up using Google or Apple. Just click the button for your preferred provider and follow the on-screen prompts. This method can be quicker and saves you from managing another password. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google or Apple account before you continue, especially if you juggle more than one. Once your email is verified or you've authenticated with Google or Apple, your new Linktree account is ready. A couple of quick tips. Keep your browser updated for best compatibility. Consider enabling two-factor authentication if it's offered. And if verification emails consistently don't arrive, try whitelisting the sender or using a different email address. That's all there is to it. Go to the Linktree website, click Sign Up Free, enter your email, confirm the code, or use Google or Apple to get in quickly. You're now set up and ready to explore what Linktree can do for you.